We really got to call Mother Nature.
We should call Mother Nature.
She's just blowing it right now.
Dropping the ball.
Or the wet bulb.
Or the wet ball.
Huh.
Let's call her.
Let's call her.
Hey.
Hey!
Oh my God, hey! Who's this?
It's the snow scientists.
Yep. From Trollhaugen.
Oh, yeah. It's so good to see you guys.
Yeah, it's good to see you. So like, did you forget?
Drop the temps.
Yeah. And the humidity.
Oh my God. Okay. Like, have been super swamped, super swamped, totally spaced it. Just been taking some me time. This year has been like crazy, you know? Oh, man.
We know.
Yeah, totally. So you guys put in that order for snowmaking weather and it was like 36 degrees and like high humidity, right?
No. Like 18 degrees and low humidity. I mean, if you can get colder, I'm not gonna get picky.
Yeah, we won't get mad.
No.
Okay. Yeah, soup's not what I had on the sketch. We will, I'll work on it. I've just been it's just been busy. 2020.
So we're good. You got us in the thing.
Yeah, it's super chill. I have some colder temps in the forecast. Totally, I totally take full responsibility for that. But hey, I actually have to run. There's another call coming in, something about like a late season hurricane. So I'm just gonna go grab that call. And yeah, things are like super fine. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
See ya. Huh.
Wow. She's kind of blowing it.
Really blowing it.
Wow.
Like, wow.
Huh.